Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm the review guy. I'm doing a review on the Rollo Thermo printer, which is coming up after this entry video. So the Rollo printer does not work on Macari, and I bought it specifically for Macari. It works on all the other bigger platforms and Etsy, Amazon, eBay, etc. Those bigger ones, Shopify, but it doesn't work on Macari. That's why I bought it. Otherwise, my review, it's a very, very nice printer. It's nice and sleek. It was very easy to install. Went to Rollo.com, installed the driver, so it was quick and it worked instantly. It just does not print on Macari. So I am gonna add my box opening right after this. And I apologize for the audio because I'm using a new camera and it was left in autofocus and you can hear it focusing the whole time. So I apologize for that. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. If you want to get a Rollo printer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Rollo label printer. This printer is supposed to be universally used with all of the online apps and sites. So we're going to do a little bit of a box opening and we're gonna plug it in, see how easy it is to use, and go from there. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so it looks like we have some information. Let's see if it will zoom in. Questions and concerns. Save on some shipping. Alright, it's nicely packaged. Let's see what we have here. Just rip it open, baby. Pretty nice looking box. Nice, glossy. Just throw that over there. Looks like it comes with the cable. That's always a good thing, right? The much needed power supply. Now let's see here. Take the foam, throw it to the side. So here it is. A little dark in here, damn it. Well, I'm not a professional review guy. I'm just doing straight up reviews for everyone. In the back, we have the power button, the plug-in, and the power. The front is the power button. Now, let's see. Oh, there's a switch on the side. So you open it up like that. Now, when you buy the Rollo printer, you have to buy the paper. So I believe the printer was $169 and the paper was 20 bucks. Here's the paper that I ordered with the Rollo printer, and it's for thermal direct printing, commercial grade, which I don't think that really matters, but anyhow, 500 labels right here. I think it costs 20 bucks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna plug it in and we're gonna print a label and we'll see how it goes.